Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restrict age on Instagram. First guys, you need to make sure that you're on your profile section, and when you go on the right upper side and click on the three dots icon, you choose the settings side. Guys, before we start, you need to go on the account section and you need to make sure that your account is a business account. Go back now and go on the third section that says business. On this side have also many options, but you need to choose the minimum age. Go click on it. Now as you can see here, you can restrict age on Instagram, and for example for default I will go with minimum age 20 years. Go tick. By country also I can restrict them, for example for Albania, and Albania minimum age I'll go with 15 years. Go tick on the right side, and now guys, you know how to restrict age on Instagram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.